my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I have such a special video for you, probably the most exciting bag unboxing for me for this year, because this bag is so special. It comes with so many memories, ultra limited edition. So I have been waiting to do a proper unboxing for this beauty for you to see. But first, I want to talk about the sponsor of this video, Online Makeup Academy. If you are looking to become a professional in the makeup industry, the Online Makeup Academy training course will teach you everything you need to know. So the Online Makeup Academy actually has a brick and mortar school in New York where you can go in person to attend classes. Their online training course is so comprehensive, and actually when you complete the course, you will be awarded an OMACA recognized training certificate, which will get you started in the world of professional makeup. Now guys, this is a 100% legitimate course. This is an award-winning academy, and when you complete the course, you actually qualify to receive your pro card. You immediately qualify to get a pro card from the partners of Online Makeup Academy, where you can get makeup for up to 40% off because you now are part of the makeup industry, and you will get brands like Makeup Forever, NYX, Stila, Smashbox. So let's talk a little bit about the course, right? You have access to the course for the rest of your life. The other part that I absolutely love is that you get support from instructors via video for the duration of the course, and you also have post-graduation support. So here's the thing, even though they have an in-person school in New York, not all of us have access to go to New York for a makeup school, right? And to be honest, I personally prefer the online course because you can do things on your own pace. So this course typically takes 2 to 6 weeks to complete, but really it's on your own pace. If you want to take 2 years to complete, you can. You will have the support that you need for the entire time. So let me take you to their website. This is the Online Makeup Academy website where you can choose your courses. The one that I took was the Master Makeup Academy, which is the level 1 for beginners, but they also have other offerings. They even have special effect classes if you are looking to work in the movie industry. Once you pay for the class, which I thought was really cool, you get an email with a customized video of your personal instructor.
Hi Erica, welcome to Online Makeup Academy.
So that is your instructor that's going to help and support you throughout the course. The course is structured in modules, and within each module you have a series of videos. So if you look at this module, it's so easy, super user-friendly. You start from the beginning, it plays the video, and then it keeps playing all of the videos for as long as you want. The main instructor for the course is Mariana Bo. She's a professional makeup artist. She's been trained in fashion makeup, bridal makeup, movie, theater makeup, and she has worked with names such as Vogue, Chanel. At the end of every module, you will take a quiz depending on what the topic is, or you will show them your look. You actually submit the before and after, and then you get a video critique from your coach talking about all of the things you did right and all of the things that you can improve. So this is a legitimate certification class. Now, even if you do not want to become a professional makeup artist and you just want to learn how to do makeup on yourself and look amazing, you can take all of the classes and you don't have to take the quizzes, and you don't have to submit the looks if you don't want to. They cover every skin tone, every skin type. They talk about how to identify what skin tone you are, light, medium, dark. They did examples showing celebrities and talking about who are the cool undertones, who are warm, what type of shade they are. They have different models from different ethnicities. They even cover mature skin. They talked about all different face shapes, how you are supposed to highlight and contour. They show you the color wheel, and they teach you how to pop up somebody's eye color, for example. Now let's talk about the looks. They teach you obviously different types of makeup looks. So all of this that I talked about is before you even get to all of the makeup looks. So cool. So for the makeup looks, they cover your natural makeup look, glam look, your hardcore smoky eye, which is actually the look that I did today. They have obviously step-by-step demonstrations from beginning to end with a model. You see the entire application process. You see what products they are using. You see what colors they're using. For a total beginner like myself, and I was able to replicate the look no problem. I mean, You can see what I'm wearing today. But beyond this, they talk about bridal makeup. You have an entire module on bridal makeup. They teach you about the airbrushing technique, how to use the machine. And at the end, you also have some bonus modules. I mean, so hard to explain everything that they offer in just a few minutes here on my video. But I have to tell you, if you are interested in learning about makeup for yourself, learning about makeup because you are an influencer, or becoming truly a certified makeup professional, this online course will absolutely get you there. So if you are interested, with the holidays coming around, what a great gift idea to yourself. You know, the gift of knowledge or reaching a dream if you want to become a makeup artist. Make sure you click the link in the description box below to purchase your training course with the Online Makeup Academy. Now let's go for my unboxing. The box is so big, I cannot even fit the whole box in the screen. Let's open this baby, shall we? This is going to be a challenge. Check it out, check it out. Are you ready for this? This is my beautiful Mykonos tote. Look at this, how stunning. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to talk to you about it. Obviously, you can tell that I already put my Hermes twillies here to protect the handle on my tote, because this is actually a leather handle. So I luckily had two Hermes twillies that matched the pink on the Louis Vuitton. Perfect, okay? So this is the limited edition city totes. So if you know, Louis Vuitton releases every year around summertime a collection of bags for the resort towns that people visit during the summer. So Ibiza, Mykonos, Capri, Miami. It is a very limited collection, extremely hard to get. And in my opinion, it is something very special that not everybody has, right? So as you know, I did go to Greece this summer. We went to Crete and Mykonos. I am still editing the video for you. I have two amazing videos to show you. But in Mykonos, my goal for my shopping for my trip was to find this tote, okay? I went very early in the season. Typically, for you to score the resort collections, these limited edition summer collections from Louis Vuitton, from Dior, you have to go early in the season. If you go like July, I feel like you barely get anything anymore. So I actually went to Mykonos last week of May, first week of June, and it was perfect. And I already barely got this bag, you guys. I'm gonna tell you the story, okay? So first of all, let me show you the bag. It's quite big, and here up front you can see this is actually leather. It has the Louis Vuitton logo in leather, and then this word right here is actually in a very soft velvet. It is so beautiful. And I don't know if you can see, but this, you see the Louis Vuitton print right here, the logos, very, very subtle logos all throughout the bag, right? On the side, look at this. All of these little Louis Vuitton logos are also in velvet, guys. One by one, applied one by one. Look how absolutely incredible this is. Ah, such detail. And then here you have the little cowhide leather, right, the vachetta leather right here on the corners, right here. And then you have your strap, and you also have a longer strap, which I absolutely love because it's a lot easier to carry on your shoulder like this than on your arms like this, especially if the bag is really heavy. The material of this bag is actually like a real tough fabric. You know, it's not like a canvas. This is actually fabric, almost like upholstery fabric. I don't know if you can tell, which normally I would not go for, right? Because we know that fabric is extremely delicate. It gets dirty really easily. But this was such a special bag for me, and my Mykonos trip was so special. I went with my husband, my daughter, my sister, and her boyfriend, and it was one of the best trips of my lifetime. I feel like every time I go to Greece is a lifetime trip. I cannot explain to you guys. I have such love for Greece. I feel like in a past life, I was Greek, because no place in the world makes me feel as happy as Greece. I mean, I just went to Ibiza. It didn't even compare, in my opinion, you know, and you will see my Ibiza shopping vlog. But Greece is just, it's like my home away from home. I cannot, if I could I could go on vacation for the rest of my life only to Greece and I would be a happy person, okay? So I wanted a special bag from Greece because my other trip to Greece in Santorini that I have videos here on my channel, you guys probably have watched it, I did not buy a bag and I regret that. I actually ended up buying ready to wear. I bought a jacket, a few other small things, but I did not buy anything like forever memory. You know what I mean? So this time I wanted a forever memory and this bag was it. So I did not care that it was fabric. I think it is so beautiful and special. So let me show you the interior of the bag. So you can put, you know, the shoulder straps inside like this tucked in if you don't want to use them, but let me get them out. So this is the inside of the bag. It's all fabric. It has a beautiful Louis Vuitton print. And then right here, look how cute. It has a place for you to hang your keychain, which is adorable. It has a Louis Vuitton patch right there. And then it has a pocket, pretty nice pocket with a zipper. And then it also has a second pocket without the zipper. Extremely spacious, guys. Like, look at this. You can fit your entire life here, okay? As a matter of fact, I actually already traveled with this bag. I went to Ibiza with this bag, and it was perfect for walking around, perfect to throwing all of my things when I want to be out and about all day long. Now, you know I am not a huge fan of the vachetta leather. I made a lot of exceptions for this bag, my people, because I do not buy fabric bags and I do not buy vachetta leather bags. I do not like the vachetta leather trim. You guys know I have an issue with it. It gets wet, it gets stains, it looks drabby over time. But this for me was so special that I had to get it. Now, let's talk about the story for this bag, right? So I get in Mykonos. Mykonos has 2 Louis Vuitton boutiques. One where there is like a big area full of luxury stores called Namos Village. And there you have Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Gucci, Dior. It's all in one place, super nice. The boutique is really small. So I go to the boutique really in hopes to get this bag. So, you know, when I traveled, I wanted either this bag or a Dior book tote because they made a small one as a limited edition as well, but only if it said Mykonos on it, okay? This was my first option, and then the Dior tote was my second option. So I get to Namos Village, we go to Louis Vuitton, I meet the sales associate there, she's so nice, knew me from TikTok, Melita is her name, so nice, so cute. So I meet Melita, I talk to her, she's like, Erica, we don't have them. We get maybe like every so often we'll get like 4 of them and then they're gone in a flash. She said, if I get any new ones, I will call you and let you know. And my heart was broken, you guys. So I go to Dior after that, look at the Dior book totes. You will see on my video, me at Dior, looking at the book tote, which was beautiful, kind of like a tiny version. But it did not say Mykonos on it. It was just like a plain, you know, Dior book tote. And I'm like, dude, if I wanted a plain one, I would buy one at home, you know, in Miami. I wanted something special from Greece. So the lady at the store from Dior said, look, we can embroider it for you if you want. We'll send the book tote to Paris. It will take about 6 weeks, and then they'll ship it to your home in the US. And I was like, man, I'm not willing to deal with all this drama, right? So I said no, and I was devastated. I said, that's it. I'm probably not gonna get this bag. A few days later, we go to the second Louis Vuitton store. We were not planning on going on it. We passed by it at the center of Mykonos called Mykonos Town. And I'm like, oh my God, Louis Vuitton. So we go in and the store is a lot bigger. So if you go to Mykonos, go to the Louis Vuitton in Mykonos Town, not where all the luxury stores are because that one is much bigger, okay? So I go there, I look around the store, no bag. I'm like, dude. So I talked to the sales associate. She was so nice. And I said, I show her the photo. Do you have this bag? Can you get this bag for me? She said, as a matter of fact, I have one in the back that I am securing for a client. But she said, I have called the client a few times and she didn't show up to pick it up. So if you want it right now, I will give it to you. I was like, oh my God, yes, I want it right now. She brought the bag. Guys, I kid you not. She comes out with this bag in the store, bunch of people in the store because, you know, it's summertime, crowded as hell. Everybody at the store looked. It was like I was an attraction in the store, I kid you not. As I am trying the bag, putting it on my shoulder, people are like circling around me. Everybody wanted the bag. I just couldn't even believe that I got so lucky to be able to score it. So, of course, I had to buy the bag, you guys. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. And I am not a huge fan of totes. You guys know this about me, but you do need a tote, right? For a day club, when you go like, I don't know, spend the weekend in somebody's house, going to the pool, and I hadn't found a tote that rocked my world. I wanted something really special for my totes. I wanted something that nobody had. This is something that I'm gonna walk around in and nobody's gonna have. This is so limited, right? So that's why, you guys, next summer when they launch this line again, if you go on vacation to any of these spots, I highly recommend you get one. I think this is the ultimate flex. Like, I'll kid you not. It's the ultimate flex, is you walking around with a bag from an exotic place that nobody has, okay? And then not a lot of fakes, because these are such specialty bags. They are only on the market for a little bit. It is a flex, you know? So when you travel next year, Mykonos, Capri, whatever you go, make sure you save some money on your budget so you can get one, okay? Now, let's talk about protecting this bag. I actually filmed a video with me protecting this bag because I was nervous, right? Fabric, vachetta leather. So I bought Apple Guard, and I'm gonna release the video for you showing exactly what I did. Me protecting the bag, spraying Apple Guard on the vachetta leather. Then I actually put fabric protector on the fabric itself. I sprayed the whole thing, sprayed the bottom. You will see exactly what I did to protect the bag, and it worked like a charm because I took this bag to Ibiza, I took it to the beach, I took it to the pool, all day long walking around sweating. But you can see, look at the bottom of the bag. It's brand new. I mean, the fabric protector really did protect the bag. So I am gonna show you my tricks on a video on how to protect your Louis Vuitton bag. This is like one of the bags that I will never get rid of. And I think these are like the most special purchases, you know, when they come with amazing memories, with an amazing time you had with your family, you realizing a dream of visiting a place that you had never been visited before. Every time I look at it sitting on my closet, it just makes me smile. So let me know what you guys think of my new baby. I hope you love it as much as I do, you guys. And don't forget to check out the online makeup academy in the link in the description box below if you are looking to elevate your makeup game or become a professional in the makeup industry. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you all so much. I really appreciate you taking time off of your day to hang out with me. I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.